an Indiana judge today issued a preliminary injunction blocking Indiana's abortion ban. This immediately restores abortion access to women and girls in the state. Fox 55's Brianna Bias is live in studio to tell us more about the judge's decision and what it means. Brianna.
Kelsey, Indiana's abortion ban was only in effect for 1 week, but the American Civil Liberties Union thinks even that was way too long. So they're promising to fight until this preliminary injunction becomes permanent.
1 week without widespread abortion access in Indiana. It was a short-term victory for the local pro-life movement.
There's sort of this underlying thought that abortion in some cases is helpful, and it never is.
Abigail Lorenzen with Right to Life of Northeast Indiana was gardening at home when she learned that a circuit court judge granted a preliminary injunction restoring abortion access in Indiana.
It was really disappointing considering the Supreme Court ruling that had just come down, that this fit inside of that.
The American Civil Liberties Union filed a lawsuit against the state on behalf of Indiana abortion clinics on August 30th. They argued that by limiting access to abortion clinics, you force some people to get abortions in hospitals, which costs a lot more. But the real point of contention during the hearing was Indiana's Constitution. Does life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness guarantee the right to reproductive privacy? The ACLU argues yes. They declined an interview today, but sent us a statement saying there are 1.5 million people of reproductive age in the state of Indiana, and every single one of them deserve the right to make their own decisions about their bodies, families, and futures.
Abortion at its base is not about privacy. It's about human civil rights. It's about each individual having equal protection under law. Just because a woman is carrying a child doesn't mean that that child isn't its own individual.
But after hearing both sides of the argument on Monday, Republican Judge Kelsey Hanlon ruled this morning that the public would be disserved if she didn't grant the preliminary injunction. So until she makes her final decision, Hoosiers' abortion rights will rewind to before the September 15th ban.
And Right to Life of Northeast Indiana plans to hold a pro-life rally at the Allen County Courthouse this Saturday at 11 a.m. You can find more information about the rally in this story on our website at WFFT.com. Live in studio, I'm Brianna Bias, Fox 55 News.